What are duopolies, and how do you use them to take advantage in the market? Duopolies are a situation where two suppliers dominate the market for a commodity or service. A key example of this is the auto parts market with these two companies, AutoZone and O'Reilly. These two companies control together around 35.8% of the entire US auto parts market. This is a crazy amount of control. And if you can see, the stock market likes to buy companies and bid up companies that show great growth over long term and show that they're the best in their class, the best in the market, and they're going to continue to go up. They're going to continue to control more. That's why the stocks have moved almost parallelly. Um, AutoZone moving about 250% in the past 5 years, and O'Reilly moving about 240% in the past 5 years. Now, there are a couple of things that duopolies help you do as an investor. You can look at both of their charts, and you can, for example, look at this dip. It reflects in both charts. Now, if AutoZone goes up and O'Reilly goes down, what can this tell us about the market? It could tell us that O'Reilly in this case would be undervalued, or it could tell us that AutoZone is overvalued and to short AutoZone, or the flip side of that, to buy O'Reilly. Now, which will actually happen? Nobody has a damn clue. But those are the dangers of the market, and that's a way to use duopolies to make more money. Obviously, if you know what you're doing and you know that one option is better than the other. Now, this is the sector that both are part of, the Consumer Discretionary Select Sector. And this is just a fund that tracks that sector. So it has both these companies side of it as well as like other consumer discretionary companies, right? Um, the sector has moved up about 47% in the past 5 years. And if you can see, this is way less than both AutoZone and O'Reilly because this fund just doesn't control the market. It has a little bit of each company, and some companies lose money, some companies gain money. But O'Reilly and AutoZone are long-term holds for the next many years, and that's why I have them in the $100,000 portfolio as well. And the stocks are just incredible. They control so much of the market. They just destroy all the competition. If you want to go look, there's a ticker symbol AAP, which was another auto parts company, and they got obliterated by both AutoZone and O'Reilly. Incredible companies. I highly suggest you own them in any portfolio.